Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot.